GNS Pakistan Dates Factory is the leading company of GNS Group from Karachi. The factory is located at National Highway, Therhi Town, Khairpur District, Sindh Province of Pakistan. GNS Dates Factory is involved in mainly dates processing and dates export business of Aseel dates, pitted dates, diced dates, chopped dates, date paste, date powder, and other related products. The customer base of GNS Pakistan is widely spread all over the world, mainly USA, UK, UAE, Canada, Australia, South Africa, Germany, Netherlands, and other EU countries. The main forte of the group is strong strategic partnership with leading dates suppliers and commodities traders of USA, UK, EU, and UAE. For more details, please visit our website www.gnspk.com or email us info@gnspk.com.